Ladies and gentlemen, very good evening. It's been a wonderful day with all of y'all, but now we're all set for the most awaited part of this lovely, lovely evening. My name is Rishika Keshri, and I welcome all of y'all to Smart Space Awards, an initiative celebrating excellence in smart home, smart building, and intelligent space innovations. These awards recognize cutting-edge projects, products, and solutions that are transforming modern-day living and workspaces. Our partners for these awards, ladies and gentlemen, please give a huge round of applause to our knowledge partner, Indian Institute of Interior Designers, IIID. Thank you. Smart Space Awards is powered by Marvel Decor Limited and co-powered by Schneider Electric. Round of applause, everyone. Now, when we talk about the awards, the core of any awards ceremony is the jury. The jury who works day and night, works very hard to curate these awards. So ladies and gentlemen, we are very fortunate to have our jury here with us today. And without any further delay, I would like to invite our jury on stage, starting with Ms. Wendy Griffith, Senior Vice President of Global Development and Membership, Cedia. Thank you so much, Wendy, for joining us. Can we please have the mic?
Hi everyone, I'm Wendy Griffiths. I'm the Senior Vice President of Global Development and Membership for CEDIA. Very proud and honoured to be part of this esteemed judging panel, along with our panel of architects and interior designers and developers in the sector. The thing I'd say about the projects that we saw is it's all about teamwork and seeing the collaboration that's now happening between systems integrators and designers and architects makes my heart sing, because 20 years ago when I joined the industry, that collaboration wasn't happening. And now the benefit of that is the lifestyle that the homeowners live. So I was very honoured to see the quality of projects that are coming out of India. It was also a very humbling experience. We have our own awards program, and the judging within that I work with our judges to recognise the awards. It makes me realise how much hard work goes into it. So my respect to the other judges, but huge respect to everyone that's entered the awards, and good luck.
Thank you. Can you please wait back, I now request Mr. Sandeep Singh to please join us on stage to felicitate Ms. Wendy Griffith. Ladies and gentlemen, please give it up for Mr. Sandeep Singh, Director, Smart Home Expo. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Wendy, for being a part of this lovely jury. Thank you. Now, it's time to invite another jury. Architect Kutub couldn't be here with us. He's not present today, but instead we have Shifali Gayawal here with us. Can we have a huge round of applause for Ms. Shifali? Thank you so much, Shifali.
So it was really humbling to be part of this jury, and the experience was just being among the stalwarts from the industry, be it, and also to look at the entries that were always talking about collaboration and technological advancement coming together, just like you said, Wendy. It was a wonderful, enriching experience, and to see entries coming from all over India, and it was really nice to see all the entries.
Thank you so much. Can we have a round of applause for that?
Thank you.
I request Swati Balgi to please join us on stage and felicitate Shifali. Swati, can we please have you on stage? applause, everyone. Thank you. Thank you so much, Shifali and Swati. Now, our next jury is Nimish Ajmera. Can we have a huge round of applause for Mr. Nimish Ajmera? Director, Ajmera Realty and Infra India Limited. Sir, if you could please speak a few words.
Firstly, thank you so much for having me as a jury. It was a wonderful experience, and also equally difficult because the entries coming in all over from India was just telling us that people are spending so much money in home automations, and that was really interesting to see. Each and every apartment and each and every villas which we have seen during the process of decision making was equally getting more and more difficult. But I'm so happy that as an industry this thing has a lot of future, and I wish everybody heartiest congratulations to everyone. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Mr. Ajmera. I now request Mr. Sandeep Singh to please join us on stage and felicitate Mr. Ajmera here. Round of applause for Mr. Singh, everyone. Director, Smart Home Expo India, Sandeep Singh. Thank you so much, Mr. Ajmera, for being on the panel, the jury. Thank you. Now moving on to our next jury. Please give a huge round of applause for Mr. Nilesh Puranik. Everyone, come on, please put your hands together. Director, Puranik Builders. Sir, please.
Hello. Thank you, first of all, to giving me the opportunity of having the jury. As Nimish said, it's really a hard task. It was really very tough to decide because a lot of, as I said, apartments or bungalows and a lot of passion what I can see that they put in. Of course, not investment money, but the passion as well. And with the latest, what the AI is the buzzword now, and with the all latest features, it's really amazing to see the kind of home probably we will get in the future with the complete advancement and automation. Recently, yesterday is the Sindoor, we really proud of that Indian Army, our Indian government, the kind of precision attack what we could do. The same way the new generation with the advancement, what a kind of new kind of home and automation they are coming up with. That's really remarkable. Hats off to all of them. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you, sir. I now request Mr. Vinayak Paradkar to please join us on stage and felicitate, sir. Round of applause for Mr. Vinayak, everyone from Smart Home Expo. Thank you so much, Mr. Puranik, once again. And now it's time to call upon our last jury. Ladies and gentlemen, please give it up for architect Silpa Jan Balwali, Principal Architect, Studio Osmosis. Round of applause.
Hi everyone, thank you very much. It was extremely exciting to be part of this jury panel. We saw some amazing submissions from across the country, and I think it was very nice to see the different categories that, right, ranging from commercial, residential, hospitality, and a lot of interesting architecture and landscape also. So I think as a sort of combined jury, we had some great discussions of what we should be actually doing, in the future also, in terms of, how these awards can actually get into specific categories, get in even people like contractors on board, the executioners and all these sort of parties that are, in sort of relation to the designers, and it was wonderful. It was actually a very tough choice also because there were some very, very interesting projects. So we're very excited and looking forward to the awards.
Thank you. Thank you so much for being a jury. Please wait up. I now request Mr. Raj Manek to please join us on stage. Ladies and gentlemen, please give it up for Mr. Raj Manek, Managing Director, Messe Frankfurt, India. Raj Manek from Messe Frankfurt. Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you. Now that was the jury, ladies and gentlemen. Can we have a huge round of applause for everybody on the jury panel? I think it takes a lot of effort, and of course, it's a difficult decision to make there. Now, we spoke about our knowledge partner, Triple ID, and we have their managing committee here with us. But before I invite them, I would like to invite Mr. Ashok Paun and Ms. Khwahish Paun on stage. Can we have a huge round of applause for both of them, please? Mr. Ashok Paun, MD, Marvel Decor Limited, and Khwahish Paun, Director, Marvel Decor Limited. Thank you so much for joining us. Now it's time for me to invite the managing committee members from Indian Institute of Interior Designers, Triple ID. Let's welcome architect Sarosh Wadia, National President, with a huge round of applause. Can we have a louder round of applause, please? Mr. Wadia, if you could please speak a few words.
It's nice to be amongst you in this exhibition, which is one of its kind, I think, in India. And I've seen it grow from year to year, and this is one of the events which I think has the maximum amount of people displaying here, as well as live demonstration rooms. So I think it's a very good effort. India is going places. So give India a big clap.
Thank you. Thank you so much. I now request Mr. Ashok Paun and Ms. Khwahish Paun to please felicitate Sarosh Wadia, sir. I would like you to please stay back because we're going to call your whole team on stage. Next up, I invite Mr. Ketan Sheth, Chairperson, to please come on stage. Round of applause, everyone, as he joins us.
Hello. Hello and warm welcome to everyone. I'm Ketan Sheth, currently chairperson of Triple ID Mumbai. So I would like to extend my heartfelt thanks to entire Smart Home Expo team, Director Mr. Vinayak Paradkar, Mr. Sandeep Singh, Mr. Raj Manek from Messe Frankfurt, India, and Mr. Nazim and Swati Balgi. We are truly pleased to collaborate with them at Triple ID. Also, we are honored to have presence of our President, Architect Sarosh Bhai Wadia, coming all the way from Surat. Thank you, Sarosh Bhai. I also take this opportunity to welcome all our awardees, guests, Triple ID members, and all the people who have won the award today. So thank you very much and enjoy this show. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. I now request Mr. Ashok Pawan and Ms. Khwahish Pawan to please felicitate sir. Thank you. Thank you so much. Please wait back because now it's time that we're going to call all the team one by one on stage, each and every team member, starting with Architect Milind Bhai, Honorable Secretary. Round of applause everyone as he joins us on stage. Okay, moving on. Architect Alak Gore, Committee Member. Zia? Okay. Next, I would like to invite Sonia Poddar, committee member, to please come on stage. Round of applause for Ms. Sonia. I request the guests to please felicitate. Next, I would like to invite Architect Gautam Naik, committee member, to please come on stage. Thank you so much. Next up, I would like to invite Mr. Nikhil Shah, committee member, to please come on stage. Round of applause for Mr. Shah, everyone. Round of applause, everyone. Come on. Thank you so much. Next, I would like to invite Mr. Paras Bhuta, Vice Chairperson Trade, to please come on stage. Everyone, please put your hands together for Mr. Bhuta. Thank you so much. Next member is Mr. Mehul Kamdar, committee member. Round of applause for Mr. Mehul, please. Thank you so much. Next, I would like to invite Mr. Hasmukh Shah, IMM past chairperson, to please come on stage. Huge round of applause for Mr. Shah, everyone. Thank you so much, Mr. Shah, for joining us. Next, I would like to invite Architect Rashmi Tiwari, chairperson from Thane, to please join us on stage. I think Ms. Rashmi is not here. Okay, we move on. Architect Ajay Panchamati, chairperson from Pune. Okay, I think they're not present, so what we'll do is we'll take a group picture with all of you all together. Everyone, please step forward for the picture. Thank you so much. Thank you to the managing committee and thank you, Mr. Ashok Pond and Ms. Khwahish Pond for joining us here. I request everyone to please be seated as we're all set to start the next segment of awards. Now, to present the next segment of awards, I would like to invite Ms. Sumiti Sehgal, VP Home and Distribution, Schneider Electric. Can we have a huge round of applause for Ms. Sumiti Sehgal, everyone. Thank you so much for joining us. Now the awards here is very special because it's for the top architects and designers in the industry. It's called the Smart Home Expo Honorary Awards. It's my absolute pleasure to invite the first winner here, Architect Sumesh Menon, Principal Sumesh Menon and Associates. Huge round of applause.
Hi guys, thank you for this. Very unexpected. And I'm a big fan of Smart Home and Smart Space. They've been doing a good job. I think this is the 6th year. All the B2B people come together for this. Yeah, so keep up the good work. Thank you guys.
Thank you so much, sir. Can we please request Sumati ma'am to please felicitate sir. Thank you so much and congratulations, Ms. Menon. Ma'am, I would like you to please wait up. We have 2-3 more to go. All right, the next honorary award goes to Architect Ketan Javedkar, Principal Founder, Studio K7. You to please share a few words before you leave.
Well, like Sumesh said, it's unexpected and thank you Smart Homes and you guys are rocking actually and way to go. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much and congratulations there. Now, the next honorary award goes to Architect Rohit Ganatra. Round of applause, everyone. So, if you could please share a few words.
It's great to see how IID is sponsoring, joining hands in spreading knowledge and putting designers and the industry together on the same platform in the help of the users, the community and the society with advancement in electronics and automation, making their life more easy. Only thing I wanted to share one more view of my own, that after having seen the industry's strength, capacities, I will appreciate that if they also look into the aspect of any electromagnetic radiation that might be arising from using of such equipments for a long time and how to make that environment safer. If this aspect is also looked into, I'll be really glad. I have myself done that research work for 30 years and have come to certain solutions which prevents this unwanted damage to human body and the system at certain time. Now, type of usage, equipments, its industry as partner also have to extend their hand in putting up this research work and encouraging such participation and education at this level. This is what I appeal to IID also and to the industry also. Let's join hands together. I'm willing to share the knowledge, willing to provide the answers to many questions which have not even come up to your mind, because these are invisible factors which we don't talk about. But yes, medically established, proved, and these units, these damages can be proven with and without picture and instrumentations and records. So I will request that the Indian Institute of Interior Designers and the industry take initiative in this direction and help people have a safe and nice, healthy living with lot of facilities offered by science. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Round of applause for Mr. Ganatri here. Ma'am, I would like to request you to please do the honors. Congratulations, sir. Thank you so much for sharing that with us. Round of applause, everyone. Thank you so much, sir, once again. Now it's time for us to have the last honorary award here, and this one goes to Architect Rajiv Parekh, founding partner, Red Architects. Round of applause for Mr. Rajiv. He's not here, but we have somebody on his behalf to take the award.
It's my pleasure to receive this award on behalf of Rajiv, who unfortunately couldn't be here due to a family emergency, but he sent his heartfelt appreciation for this award. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Ma'am, please do the honors. Congratulations. And Sumiti ma'am, thank you so much for joining us. Round of applause for her, everyone. All right, now it's time we move to the next segment here, Smart Space Awards. We have categories coming up. The first category is Residential Villa. To present the award in this category, I'd like to request Wendy Griffith, Senior Vice President of Global Development and Membership CEDIA, to please join us on stage. Round of applause for Ms. Griffith here. Thank you so much for joining us. Now the first award, Residential Villa Architect, goes to NSA Architects. Huge round of applause. Congratulations to NSA Architects on the win. Thank you so much, sir. Now the next award, Residential Villa Interior Designer, goes to Yogesh Wadhwana, DWG Designs. Huge round of applause for the winner. Congratulations.
Thank you, guys. I know this is a tough choice to make. I would also like to announce that DWG Design has also been awarded the Best Property Asia Awards. And I'm just going to collect it. So thank you very much.
Congratulations, double victory for you there. Now moving on, the third award, Residential Villa System Integrator, goes to Beyond Alliance. Huge round of applause. All right, they're here. Ladies and gentlemen, Beyond Alliance, the winner, Residential Villa System Integrator. Congratulations. Time for the last one in this category, and the award goes to Kshitiz Thakur, Nirvana Automation, the runner-up. Can we have a huge round of applause? Congratulations. Thank you. Thank you so much, Ritesh. Wendy, thank you so much for joining us. Give it up for Ms. Griffin, everyone. Come on. Thank you. Now moving on to the next category. It's residential apartment. And to present this set of awards, again, I would like to invite Ms. Sumiti Sehgal, VP Home and Distribution, Schneider Electric, Greater India. Round of applause for her. A lot of hard work for her today. Thank you so much for joining us, Ms. Sehgal, once again. Now, the first award, Residential Apartment Architect, goes to Fourth Dimension, the winner. Come on, round of applause. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Fourth Dimension, the winner in Residential Apartment Architect category. Thank you so much. Congratulations there once again. Moving on to the next one. It's Residential Apartment Interior Designer. And the award goes to Studio Jane Designs, Neha Garg. Round of applause, everyone, as we invite Neha on stage. Congratulations, Neha. Everybody, please put your hands together for Studio Jane Designs. Thank you. The last one in this category, Residential Apartment System Integrator. And the award goes to Aurus Lot Solutions. Huge round of applause. Aurus IoT Solutions, everyone, huge round of applause. Congratulations there. Thank you so much. Moving on. We'll have Sumiti for the next category as well. Moving on to the next one, Commercial Office. And the first award in Commercial Office category, Architect, goes to Architect Gautami Bargal and Architect Vishwesh Bargal. Huge round of applause. Architect Gautami Bargal and Architect Vishwesh Bargal. The winner in this category. The next one, moving on, Commercial Office, interior designer. Once again, please give a huge round of applause for the winner, Studio Jane Designs, Neha Garg. A lot of awards for her today. Can we have some music? Thank you so much and congratulations to Neha once again for the win. Moving on to the next one, Commercial Office System Integrator. And the winner in this category is Abby Lighting. Round of applause. Yes, they're here. The winner in Commercial Office System Integrator, Abby Lighting. Congratulations once again. Now the last one. And it's in the same category, though we have a runner-up as well in this category, Commercial Office System Integrator. And the runner-up is High Life Global Technologies Private Limited. Huge round of applause, everyone. Thank you so much, sir. Congratulations.
Collecting this on behalf of my friends. Hello everyone, this is Ravinder Goel. I am collecting this award on behalf of my friend, Mr. Rohit Chaudhary of High Life. Due to some technical fault, his flight got delayed by 5 hours from Delhi. So Rohit has been doing a great job and my partner for the Panipat territory. Thank you for the award.
Thank you so much, and thank you so much, Sumiti, for being here. Round of applause for her, everyone. All right, now we move on to the next category, and to present the awards in this category, I'd like to invite Mr. Anil Chavra, Principal Architect, Anil Chavra and Associates, to please come on stage. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Mr. Anil. Okay, Mr. Anil is not here. I would like to invite Mr. Nimish Ajmera to please join us. Can we have a round of applause for him? Nimish Ajmera is here for the next set of awards. Thank you, sir. Now, the next category is Commercial Retail Architect. And the winner in this category is Studio Architecture Ali. Give a huge round of applause. Thank you so much. Congratulations. Congratulations, guys. The next award is in the category Commercial Retail Interior Designer. And this award goes to Ricky Doshi, Unisys Smart Spaces. Huge round of applause.
Funky feeling.
Thank you so much. Congratulations. Sir, I would like you to please wait up. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Nimish Ajmera, Director Ajmera Realty Infra India Limited is here with us. Along with him, we'll have two more people here to give the awards. Please welcome Mr. Ashok Pond, Managing Director, Marvel Decor Limited, to join us for the next category. Round of applause, everyone. Next, I would like to invite Ms. Shilpa Jan Belveli, Principal Architect, Studio, to please join us. Huge round of applause. Studio Osmosis. Thank you so much for joining us. Now, the awards. Smart Space Awards in the category Hospitality. Restaurant and Cafe. Architect goes to Architect Dhananjay Pawar. Cinetics Architects. Give a huge round of applause. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together. Everyone, come on, give a huge round of applause. Congratulations, Cinetics Architects. Great job there. Thank you so much. Moving on to the next award. Hospitality, Restaurant Cafe, Interior Designer. We have another winner, and the winner is LDG Studio. Huge round of applause. Congratulations there. Thank you so much. Now the last award in this category, Hospitality, Restaurant Cafe, System Integrator, and the award goes to Future Automation Solutions. Round of applause as we welcome them on stage. Congratulations. Thank you so much. Congrats on the win there. Mr. Nimish and Mr. Ashok, thank you so much for joining us. Shilpa ma'am, you'll have to wait back for the next category. Now, this category is different, I would say, because some segments of awards can't be categorized. Hence, this one is an amalgamation of all the awards that we couldn't fit in a particular category. So now, for this particular category, we have the first winner. All right. Interior Designer, ID Darshana Modkari, Synectics Architects. Huge round of applause. Darshana, one more. Can we have the award, please? Congratulations once again. Thank you so much. Back-to-back awards there. Congratulations. So nice to see that. Now, moving on, we also have another winner in the same category, and the winner is Darashil Pawar, Unitecture. Huge round of applause. Congratulations. Can we have a round of applause for the winner, everyone? Thank you so much. Last one in this category. The award System Integrators. And the award goes to Bhavesh Doshi. Intellectual Systems. Round of applause for Bhavesh. Thank you so much. Congratulations. Thank you so much, Ms. Shilpa, for joining us. All right, moving on to the next category. This is Home Theatre, Home Cinema Architect. And the winner here, first of all, a very interesting category. The winner is Fourth Dimension. Can we have a huge round of applause for Fourth Dimension? Oh, and I forgot to invite Mr. Nilesh Puranik, Director, Puranik Builders. Sir, if you could please join us on stage. He's going to be giving the awards. Can we have a round of applause for Mr. Nilesh? And now, give it up for Fourth Dimension. Congratulations on the win. Thank you so much. Congratulations there on the win once again. And now, another category, Home Theatre, Home Cinema. Now, it's in the subcategory System Integrator. And we have a tie between two. I'd like to announce the first winner here. The award goes to Future Automation Solutions. Round of applause. Yes, let's hear it for them. Come on. Thank you so much. Now we are wondering who is the next winner. There was a tie. Any guesses who's the winner? All right, it's Audio and Beyond. It's a tie between them. Give a huge round of applause for Audio and Beyond.
How about red team?
Thank you so much. Now there's one more, and it's the runner-up in this category. And the runner-up is Mech B. Can we have a round of applause? Are they here? They were on the panel. Yes. Round of applause, everyone.
Which is what I've been drinking.
Thank you so much, sir, for joining us. Ladies and gentlemen, please give it up for him. Thank you. All right. With that, we're done with the awards ceremony. But we have one more thing to do. But before we do that, I would like to give a gentle reminder to all the winners. You have to visit the VIP lounge and you have to give us your VIP bites because you are the superstars today. You're the winners and we'd love to hear from you. Can we have a huge round of applause for all the winners? All right. Now we had an amazing and wonderful KNX session before the awards. And it's an absolute honor to have them here. And to felicitate them, I would like to invite Mr. Sandeep Singh, Director, Smart Home Expo, to please join us on stage. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Mr. Singh. Everyone, come on, let's put your hands together. Yes. And it's my honor and pleasure to invite Casto Canavte, Marketing Team Leader, KNX Association, on stage. Can we have a round of applause for Mr. Casto, please?
Get a one.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Casto. And all right, with that, we come to the end of day one of Smart Home Expo 2025. Ladies and gentlemen, trust me, it was a pleasure and an honor to have all of you all here. Once again, congratulations to all the winners.